So we're looking at rearranging formulas. 4x plus c equals to w. Make s the subject of the formula. Now to rearrange the formulas so that x is, to rearrange formula simply means to make x to be alone on one side and every other thing else on the other side. So we're making x to be on one side and every other thing on one side. That is what it means to make x the subject of the formula. So this is an algebra equation. So in algebra equation, there are certain rules that you must follow. So for x to be by itself, so this is plus, so we have to move this c to the other side. Now what we are doing here, we have to eliminate c. And in algebra, whatever you do on one side of the equation, you must also apply on the other side of the equation. So basically, this is what we're doing. This is 4x plus c minus c equals to w minus c. So whatever you do here, you're going to eliminate c. To eliminate c, you must introduce the opposite. This is a plus. So to eliminate c, you must introduce a negative sign, which is this. And whatever you do on one side here, you have to do on the other side here of the equation. So you have 4x here. So plus c minus c, definitely eliminate c, that's 0. So we eliminate c, so you have equals to w minus c. So we are still trying to make s the subject. So in this situation now, s is not by itself still. So we have to eliminate 4. And the rule says to eliminate, you have to introduce the opposite of the arithmetic symbol. So here, earlier on it was positive, we have to introduce negative to eliminate the c. And whatever we do here, we do here. So here, this is multiplication. 4s actually means 4 times x. So the opposite of multiplication is division. So to eliminate 4, right, so that s can be by itself, we have to introduce a division sign. So whatever we do here, we do it here. So 4x divided by 4. The same thing we'll do here, w minus c divided by 4. So 4 we cancel 4, and then you have x. Here, nothing can cancel anything here. So you have x equals to w minus c equals to 4. So now x is by itself. The answer is x equals to w minus 4. So thank you for watching. So please do follow me. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and please like and subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you.